Ever get that sinking feeling when you see your bank statement and realize you've been hit with another monthly maintenance fee? Or maybe you're tired of earning a measly interest rate on your savings that barely keeps up with inflation. If you're nodding your head, then you're probably on the hunt for a better banking solution. That's where SoFi comes in. You might know them for student loan refinancing, but they've been expanding their financial services lately. But the big question is, can you actually use SoFi as a bank? The answer is a little bit nuanced. SoFi itself started as a financial technology company, not a traditional bank. But in 2022, they obtained a national banking license. So, while they might not have the same history as your local brick-and-mortar bank, they are definitely playing in the same ballpark. So, what can you actually do with SoFi banking? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. First up, checking and savings accounts. SoFi offers both, with some pretty attractive features. Their checking account boasts no monthly maintenance fees, which is already a win compared to many traditional banks. But the real kicker is their interest rate. Currently, SoFi offers a 4.6% APY on savings balances, with direct deposit, which absolutely crushes what most traditional banks are offering. That means your money can actually grow while it sits there. Now, their checking account doesn't have quite as high of an APY, but it's still respectable at 0.5%, again, with direct deposit. Plus, you get unlimited ATM fee reimbursements within the Allpoint network, which is a massive network of over 55,000 ATMs. So, you can ditch the ATM hunt and avoid those pesky out-of-network fees. They also offer some other cool features like mobile check deposit, free peer-to-peer transfers, and a handy debit card that lets you spend your money anywhere MasterCard is accepted. But SoFi banking isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are a few things to keep in mind. First, SoFi is an online-only bank. That means no physical branches to walk into if you prefer face-to-face banking. Everything is done through their app or website. While their app is user-friendly, it might not be ideal for everyone, especially those who are less comfortable with technology. Another thing to consider is cash deposits. Unlike traditional banks, SoFi doesn't have physical locations where you can just walk in and deposit cash. They do offer a few alternative methods, like mobile check deposit and Green Dot Network cash deposits, for a fee, but it's not quite as convenient as handing a teller a wad of bills. So, the bottom line, can you use SoFi as a bank? Absolutely. They offer a competitive checking and savings account with high interest rates, no hidden fees, and a user-friendly app. However, it's important to consider the trade-offs. SoFi is an online-only bank, and cash deposits can be a bit of a hassle. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use SoFi banking depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're comfortable with online banking and don't need to deposit cash regularly, then SoFi could be a great option for you. They offer a lot of bang for your buck, with features that traditional banks often charge extra for. But if you prefer the convenience of a physical branch or need to deposit cash frequently, then a traditional bank might be a better fit. No matter what you choose, do your research and compare options before making a decision. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to banking, and the best bank for you is the one that meets your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.